I'm standing on the ramp on the north side of St. James, overlooking this little meadow area. It's a really pretty little meadow. It's very tiny, but very sweet. And there's where they moved the statue of St. James. There he is between the trees. From where he was, where his head fell off. Over across the street from us. Over behind this big evergreen is a statue of St. Francis with the birds. And this is where Nellie and I always like to walk, right through here. You know, you can see there's huge, huge drifts of snow. This is a nice little area though. I love it. Very quiet and nice. And a little light going through the snow. Almost time for the sun to be gone.